is Sharon from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today we are here at 93A Telok Blangah to check out this exclusive and prime HDB flat that has just MOP'd. This is a 1,001 square feet, 4-room unit that is surrounded by tons of great amenities like the popular Telok Blangah Food Centre and more, which is just 5 minutes walk away. Come, let us go! Our living room comes in a longish layout and easily fits a large sofa with ample distance from the TV or screen display. With a cozy and classy look, it is the perfect place for relaxation. This kitchen is efficiently designed in a longish layout that boasts beautiful wood cabinets. We have a built-in oven and hob system, along with a service yard that can be closed during heavy cooking. Now our master bedroom is beautifully renovated with a built-in bed platform that offers storage beneath as well. It is spacious, well lit, and of course comes with a pristine ensuite for the new owners. This unit is just a 10 minutes walk to both Labrador Park and Telok Blangah MRT on the Circle Line, taking you to Harbourfront MRT in just one stop. For food and shopping, you have the popular Telok Blangah Market and Food Centre just downstairs, with Alexandra Retail Centre further west and cafes along Lock Road just across the park. On the weekend, visit VivoCity or even Resort World Sentosa and Universal Studios just nearby. For nature lovers, the Southern Ridges and Hort Park are right at your doorstep. Thank you for watching our home tour of this amazing unit here at 93A Telok Blangah. If you are interested, do contact me at 98198774 to find out more. Once again, this is Sharon Chong from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division signing off.